guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are in the beach. Yay! Yeah! We're in the beach. So you ask why we are a car? Because we get cursed by a wicked witch. I don't know her name. But one thing, Bowser Jr. is not here. So he's sleeping. Yeah, he's sleeping. Literally, you see, I'm just going backward instead of going forward. That's a little strange. Okay, so Bowser Jr. is sleeping in his home. And this is the beach. I mean, the beach. Beach. We are going to walk the beach. Here it is. Beautiful, nice, and great. Yeah, look at those guys. Huh. Fresh. Fresh airs. You look like fresh airs. Huh. What a nice beach. Fresh airs in my arms. Bye bye guys. See you next episode. Bye bye. Takes 2 hours. 2 hours until I need to wear a glass. Just a cool vision glass.